Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly forecast from 28th of December 2020 to 3rd of Jan 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with the moon sign or zodiac sign. Let's start for the Aries Ascendants. Aries Ascendants, this whole week from 28th of December to 3rd of Jan 2021, you will be on another height of success. Monday and Tuesday will be ultimate days for you. You will enjoy all around success. You will be blessed with a lot of unexpected money. Your family atmosphere wonderful. You will enjoy New Year Eve with your family and friends in a very wonderful way. You spend some quality time with your family and friends. This whole week, Monday, Tuesday and Thursday will be a very rewarding days. You will get unexpected money. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. Your health will fine. Your family will support you. Your kids and your family, your elders and your kids, you have a great tie-up with each other. This whole week from 28th December to 3rd of Jan 2021, you will be in a great comfort zone. You will enjoy all around success. But you need to be careful whilst Friday and Saturday about your stomach related problem may arise. Don't eat any oily food or junk food or market food in this week. Overall, you will be top and sky high. You will earn a lot of money, fame, respect, and you will enjoy quality time on 31st of December 2020, and you will enter in 2021 with a lot of positivity. And I'm also praying for you a happy future in 2021. God bless you, Aries, and you will enjoy a lot of success in 2021. This is my prayer. This is my wishes for every of my YouTube viewers. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants. Taurus Ascendants from 28th December 2020 to 3rd Jan 2021, you will be in another height of success. You may get promoted. Your salary will rise. You will get a lot of business. But you will spend very good time with your family and friend. On this occasion, on this New Year Eve, you will enjoy very good time with your family and friends. Your health will fine. You will feel much relaxed and positive energy. This whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday will be ultimate days for you. You will enjoy all around success. Your friends will support you. Your family will support you. But you need to be careful about your work because some work pressure will irritate you. Some overburden or overthinking will irritate you. No need to think too much. Do your wonders. Whatever you are doing on a right way. Jupiter Saturn is in your 9th house. Moon transit in this week is very performing, very good performance from moon, because moon transit in your 9th house and 10th house. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will enjoy very good time at your workplace with your family, friends, and you will enter in 2021 with a great positivity. In 2021, Taurus, you will enjoy a lot of comforts. The start of the year from the 1st Jan to 3rd Jan, you will be sky high and top. Your confidence level will be sky high. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Some new work will knock you. Some new business partnerships will knock you. Taurus, you will shine like a sun. In this week, in this whole week from 28th December to 3rd of Jan 2021, you will be sky high and top. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, good health, and you will spend quality time with your family and friend. Wishing you Happy New Year 2021. God bless you, and take care of yourself and take care of your elders at your home. And I'm praying for your happy future, Taurus. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants, you need to be careful while talking with your father or mother. You should take blessings from your father and mother. In this week from 28th of December to 3rd of Jan 2021, Mars is in your 11th house. It will give you lot of source of earning. You will feel much relaxed and comfort in the terms of monetary. But you need to be in a nice talk with your family, with your friends, with your especially elders at your home. If you take blessings from your father and mother side, you will feel much relaxed and comfort, and you will enter in 1st January 2021 in a very good thoughts. Otherwise, if you fight with your elders, if you start any arguments with your elders, you will be a part of any problem. Your mind is not happy. You are not enjoying New Year Eve. You are not enjoying 31st December night properly. You need to take some blessings of your elder side. Keep in touch with your elders if you are living far away from your parents. Send something as a token of love to your father, to your mother. Don't show your arrogance, don't show your ego. Just uh, keep yourself humble and think positive and do your wonders. Mars is promising in this week in your 11th house. It will give you a lot of fantastic results in the terms of earning. But Jupiter, Saturn is in 8th house. Moon position, especially Monday, Tuesday, will be ultimate for you. But Wednesday and Thursday, you will feel low. But overall, this whole week, if you take blessings from your elders, especially for your father and mother, you will relax and feel much better, and you will enter with a great positivity in 2021. I'm praying for your happy future in 2021. Wishing you a happy new year in advance in 2021. Just do your wonders, focus on your things, and must take blessings of your parents' side. You will be sky high and top, Gemini. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendants. Cancer Ascendants this whole week from 28th December to 3rd Jan 2021. You will be sky high and top. You will enjoy a very good time with your family and friends. There is a strong chances you may go for some short distance journey. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will enter in a 1st January 2021 with great positivity. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, benefits. You will spend your money on luxury. Especially Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday will be ultimate days for you, when your good fortune is in your favor. If you are unemployed, you may get job. If you are a businessman, you may get some orders. Your profits will rise. You will have a lot of money, name, fame, prosperity. Mouth-to-mouth publicity will give you a lot of good work at your professional life. Your professional life will shine in this week from 28th December to 3rd Jan 2021. You will enter in New Year 2021 with great positivity, with great passion, Cancer. I'm praying for your happy future in 2021 and wishing you a happy new year, and praying for you a long age of your elders at home, and enjoyable moment you will spend in 2021 with your family and friends. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendants. Leo Ascendants this whole week from 28th December to 3rd Jan 2021. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Your pending work will click. You will enjoy very good movement. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Some money you may invest in stock market. Yeah, you already invested your money in stock market, will give you fantastic returns in this week. Some unexpected money make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind, success, healthy life and health you will enjoy in this week. This whole week from 28th December to 3rd Jan 2021, you will be on another height of success. You, with your strong willpower and courage, you will create a history, you will create a magic at your workplace. You need to perform your best, Leo. This week will create a lot of good things in your life. You will see a lot of opportunities. A lot of new opportunities will knock you. And you will enter in New Year on 1st of Jan 2021 with great positivity and with a lot of blessings from your father's side. And if you take blessings from your father's side and you spend some time on 31st December 2020 with your father, you will definitely grow a lot in 2021. You just need to perform your best and try to keep balance in your personal relationship and professional relationship. You will be sky high and top. Wishing you Happy New Year 2021, praying for you a long age and long age of your elders at your home. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. Virgo Ascendants this whole week from 28th December to 3rd Jan 2021. You are on another height of confidence. You are in a great confidence. You will feel much relaxed and better compared to last week. This whole week brings a lot of good opportunities for you. Virgo, you will enter in a new horizon of business. There is a strong chances you may start something new side by side, which will make you happy, and you will blessed with unexpected monetary gains. Virgo, this whole week from 28th December to 3rd of Jan, you will be sky high and top. You will have a lot of money, good savings are there, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts with your family and friends. You will enter on 1st January 2021 with great passion, with great plans, with great atmosphere. Virgo, you need to perform your best because coming year will bring a lot of positivity, good gains, and a lot of success store in 2021. Virgo, for you, if you have a good Mahadasha, Antardasha in your birth chart, so if you have a well planets placed in your birth chart, you will definitely rock in 2021. Wishing you a Happy New Year 2021 and praying for your long age and long age for your parents, elders at your home, and looking forward to your great success in 2021. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants, you will be happy in this week from 3rd December to 28th December to 3rd Jan 2021. You will get some positive news. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Your professional life will be better. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will be a rewarding days for you. You feel much comfort and relax. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. But something is there which is create some problem in your mind because you are thinking a lot. Without any reason, you are thinking a lot. Stop unnecessary thinking. Just focus on your work and enjoy this new year. You will definitely enter in 1st January 2021 with a great positivity. Libra, you need to perform your best in 2021. And this whole week, if you think positive, if you take blessings of your mother's side, your elder side, you will definitely sky high and top. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Money matters will be far, far better. You will get opportunities for perform best at your workplace. If you are unemployed, you may get job. If you are trying, if you put your effort to finding a job, you will definitely get. Libra, you need to perform your best in this week and in coming year 2021, you will be sky high and rock. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants. Scorpio ascendants this whole week from 28th December to 3rd Jan 2021. Don't be a part of any arguments. Don't be a part of any litigation or problem. Even this whole week, Mars is in your 6th house. Your old debts will clear. You will enter in a new horizon. You will enter in a very promising time. Scorpio, this whole week will bring you lot of good gains are there. You will enjoy a lot of source of earning. Some unexpected money will make you happy. If you are unmarried, you may meet someone and there is strong chances you will be in a relationship. And your relationship will turn in a long-lasting relationship and marriage. Scorpio, this whole week from 28th December to 3rd of Jan, you will be on another height of success. You will achieve a lot of things. You will be in a great, strong, confidence. And due to your confidence, due to your strong willpower, you will achieve a lot of goals. Your younger siblings will support you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Some foreign journeys or foreign plannings will make you happy. You will enter on 1st January 2021 with a great positivity and great achievements which you will achieve in 2021. You will plan everything in this week. Scorpio, just perform your best. Jupiter, Saturn is in your 3rd house and you will be top and sky high in 2021. A lot of new opportunities will knock you in 2021. You will steal the show. People will appreciate your talent in 2021. Try to perform your best. And this whole week from 28th December to 3rd Jan, you will feel much relaxed and comforted. You will enter in 1st January 2021 with great positivity, great passion, peace of mind, success, achievements. Family atmosphere, wonderful. Blessings of your parents are there for you. Scorpio, you will be top. Wishing you a happy new year and praying for your long age and long age of your elders at your home. Looking forward to your great success in 2021. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Sagittarius ascendants from 28th December to 3rd of Jan 2021. This whole week you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Health of your spouse will be a matter of concern. Try to be polite talk with your spouse. You should take blessings of your father's side. Take care of your father's health. But you will enter on 1st January 2021 with great passion, with positivity, with great plannings. And your all plannings will be on right direction in 2021. This whole week you will enjoy very good time with your family and friends, but you need to be careful while talking and dealing with your spouse. You need to be careful with the health of your spouse and your father. Overall, this week brings a lot of good news for you, which is related to your professional life. You may get promoted or you may bring some positive results from your source of earning. Sagittarius, this whole week will give you mixed fruits, but you will enter on 1st January 2021 with great success and achievements. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn ascendants, this whole week, you will spend very good time with your spouse. You will spend some quality time with your loved one or spouse, and you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Your source of earning will develop. Your family will support you. Your spouse will support you. Your spouse will sit with you and understand you, and your relationship will be sky high. Capricorn, this week, you will feel some magic in your relationship, in your personal relationship. You will be in a far better position. Compared to 2020, whole year, you're suffering a lot in your relationship. Now, day by day, with each passing day, Capricorn, you will feel much relaxed and comfort in your marital life, in your relationship. Try to share everything with your spouse. Try to be honest with her or him. Do your best in your relationship. Try to maintain a good balance in your personal life and professional life. You will definitely rock, and you will enter on 1st January 2021 with a great moment with your spouse, which you never expected compared to 2020 performance. You will feel much relaxed, and you will enjoy a very good time with your loved one on 1st January 2021. You just need to maintain a balance between your work and your personal life. Wishing you a happy new year, and God bless you. Looking forward to your great marital life and success in your love life and your professional life as well. Praying for your long age of elders at your home, and looking forward to your great achievements. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius Ascendants, you need to be careful. You will be a part of any litigation or problem in this week from 28th December to 3rd Jan 2021. Don't spend your money. Try to save your money. You will be a part of any problem. You will be a part of any litigation. You will be a part of any type of hurdle or a dispute with your loved one. Give some respect to opposite gender. Show your respect and give some gift as a token of love to your loved one. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Try to give your best to your spouse. Don't cheat your spouse. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you, there is no doubt. But overall, you will enter in on 1st Jan 2021 with great passion and positivity. Don't invest your money anywhere in this week. Don't give your money to anyone, otherwise you never get back. This time will give you lot of mixed results. You will think one day positive and one day negative, especially Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is not very rewarding for you. You are very confused and double-minded, what to do or not. Aquarius, you need to perform your best. Just focus on your things. Start some meditation. Wake up early morning and start some meditation. Spend 40 minutes or 45 minutes on meditation. You will definitely feel much relaxed and peace of mind. Wishing you Happy New Year 2021 and praying for your success. After struggle, you will achieve a lot of things in 2021, but you need to be careful while trusting on anyone in 2021. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. You will be sky high on top. 28th December to 3rd Jan 2021. This whole week brings a lot of financial opportunities. If you are willing to invest your money somewhere, this is the right time. If you are willing to do some wonders at your workplace, or you are trying to invest your more money in your business, then this is the right week. Pisces, this whole week you will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will earn a lot of money from multiple sources of earning, and you will enjoy very good moment with your family and friend. Pisces, this is a time when your good fortune is in your pocket. You need to cash your fortune with your hard work, with your determination, with your focus, with your passion. And you will definitely achieve lot of things which you never expect from your side. Some unexpected money will make you happy. You will get a lot of response for higher authority. You will get good gains from there. Your elder brothers will support you. Some long distance journeys are seen in this week. You will enter in on 1st January 2021 with great passion, positivity, and great planning of 2021 about your finances, about your career, because your career will be shine in 2021, Pisces. Stay happy, stay positive. Wishing you great success in 2021 for Pisces, and for every of my YouTube friend. I'm praying for your great success, and I'm praying to my Lord Shiva, your hard work convert in great success in 2021, and you will live your quality time with your family, with your mom, dad, with your sister, brothers, and with your friends and your spouse. You will spend wonderful time with everyone at your home. Amit Kapoor, Team Amit Kapoor, wishing you Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and praying for your happy future. 24 hour, 48 hour, 52 hours, you will be sky high and top in 2021. God bless you. Take care. Namaskar. Jai Hind.